Map of Venezuela, Topography and Geography. Venezuela is a country located in the northern part of South America. Known for its diverse geography, vast natural resources, and rich cultural heritage. It is officially called the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela. Land area, 916,445 square kilometers. Venezuela is the sixth largest country in South America. Its vast land includes mountains, jungles, rivers, and islands. The large territory supports diverse cultures, ecosystems, and industries. The capital of Venezuela is Caracas. It is the largest city and the political, cultural, and economic center of the country. Located in northern Venezuela, near the Caribbean Sea, but surrounded by mountains. Known for its modern skyline, historical sites, and vibrant culture. Land borders. Brazil south 2,199 kilometers. Mostly rainforest, part of the Amazon basin. Important crossing. Santa Helena de Uern, Venezuela Pacaraima, Brazil. Colombia west 2,219 kilometers. Longest border, crossing multiple ecosystems from mountains to plains. Key border crossings, Cutasan, Antonio del Chira, Maco Paraguac, Aracil, Amparo. Guyana east 743 kilometers. Venezuela claims Essequibo, a large area west of the Essequibo River. Ongoing territorial dispute between Venezuela and Guyana. Countries and territories with maritime borders. Trinidad and Tobago northeast of Venezuela in the Caribbean Sea. The closest point is about 11 kilometers from Venezuela. Disputes over oil-rich waters in the Gulf of Paria. Aruba, Netherlands, northwest of Venezuela. Located about 27 kilometers from the Venezuelan coast. Cura, Netherlands, north of Venezuela. Separated by the Venezuelan basin of the Caribbean Sea. Bonaire, Netherlands, north of Venezuela. Part of the Dutch Caribbean, with ongoing maritime agreements. Grenada, north of Venezuela. Shares maritime space in the Caribbean. 6. Barbados is an island country in the eastern Caribbean Sea. Approximately 400 kilometers northeast of Venezuela. The closest Venezuelan point to Barbados is near the Paria Peninsula. 7. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is an island country in the Caribbean Sea, located north of Venezuela. Approximately 370 kilometers north of Venezuela. The closest Venezuelan landmass is the Paria Peninsula, Caribbean Sea, and Venezuela. Venezuela has a 2,800 kilometers coastline along the Caribbean Sea, making it one of the largest Caribbean coastal nations. The sea plays a crucial role in Venezuela's economy, trade, energy resources, and geopolitics. Margarita Island. Venezuela's largest Caribbean island, a major tourist destination. Known for its white sandy beaches, clear waters, and resorts. It is a duty-free zone, making it a hotspot for shopping. Historically, it played a role in Venezuela's fight for independence. Geographical features. Lake Maracaibo. Located in northwestern Venezuela, it is one of the largest lakes in South America. It is a tidal bay connected to the Gulf of Venezuela, and is considered one of the oldest lakes on Earth. The lake is rich in petroleum deposits, making it a major center for Venezuela's oil industry. Lake Guri. A man-made lake, created by the Guri Dam on the Caron River. It is one of the largest reservoirs in the world, covering over 4,000 kilometers. Provides hydroelectric power, supplying over 60% of Venezuela's electricity. The Gulf of Venezuela is a large body of water located in the northeastern part of South America, bordered by Venezuela to the south and Colombia to the west. It is a part of the Caribbean Sea and serves as a key waterway for trade and transportation. Venezuela's Caribbean coastline stretches approximately 2,800 km, making it one of the longest in the region. This extensive coastline plays a crucial role in trade, tourism, fishing, and oil exports. Mountains and highlands. The Merida Mountains refer to the Sierra Nevada de Merida, a subrange of the Andes Mountains located in western Venezuela. This mountain range is home to Venezuela's highest peaks, stunning landscapes, and a rich biodiversity. Pico Bolívar 4978 m. The highest mountain in Venezuela, part of the Andes range. Named after Simón Bolívar, Venezuela's national hero. Often covered in snow, despite Venezuela's tropical climate. Pico Naguat is a mountain peak located in the Merida Mountains of Venezuela. It has an elevation of 2,765 meters above sea level, making it one of the notable peaks in the range. Cerro El Copi is a mountain located in the Merida Mountains of Venezuela, with an elevation of 957 meters. It is part of the El Vila National Park and offers scenic views of the surrounding landscapes. Cerro Rea is a mountain located in the Merida Mountains of Venezuela, with an elevation of 2017 meters. It is known for its striking natural beauty and is a popular destination for hiking and nature exploration. Cerro Marihuaca is a mountain located in the Guayana highlands of Venezuela, with an elevation of 2,800 meters. It is part of the Topography National Park and is notable for its remote and pristine natural environment. Pico da Neblina is the highest mountain in Brazil, with an elevation of 3,014 meters. It is located in the Amazon rainforest, near the border between Brazil and Venezuela, within the Pico da Neblina National Park. The Guiana Highlands is a vast upland region in northern South America, covering parts of Venezuela, Brazil, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana, and Colombia. It is known for its ancient plateaus, tepuis, waterfalls, and diverse ecosystems. Major rivers of Venezuela. Orinoco River, one of South America's longest rivers, stretching over 2,140 kilometers. It originates in Venezuela, near the Brazilian border, and flows into the Atlantic Ocean. The river serves as an important transportation route for goods, especially in areas with limited road access. The Carón River is one of the most important rivers in Venezuela, flowing through the Guiana Highlands in the southeastern part of the country. Length, approximately 952 kilometers. Source, originates in the Sierra Parima Mountains in the Guiana Highlands. Mouth, joins the Orinoco River near Ciudad Guayana. Notable waterfalls, includes Angel Falls, world's highest waterfall, and Para Falls. A pure river, one of the largest rivers in western Venezuela. A tributary of the Orinoco River, it plays a major role in agriculture and cattle ranching in the Llanos region plains. The river floods in the rainy season, creating fertile soil for crops. The Cora River is a major tributary of the Orinoco River in Venezuela, flowing through the Guiana Highlands. Length, about 723 kilometers. Source, originates in the Sierra de Migualada. Mouth, joins the Orinoco River near Ciudad Bolívar. Biodiversity, home to rare wildlife, including jaguars, giant otters, and freshwater dolphins. The Guarico River is a significant tributary of the Orinoco River in central Venezuela. It plays an important role in agriculture, irrigation, and water management in the region. Length, approximately 525 kilometers. Source, originates in the coastal range Cordillera de la Costa. Mouth, flows into the Orinoco River. The Casaquayer River is a unique natural canal in Venezuela that connects the Orinoco River to the Rio Negro, which is a tributary of the Amazon River. Length, approximately 326 kilometers. Location, flows through the Amazon region of southern Venezuela. Unique feature, it creates a natural link between the Orinoco and Amazon river systems. The Portuguesa River is an important river in Venezuela, flowing through the western and central regions of the country. Length, approximately 600 kilometers. Source, originates in the Andes Mountains in Lara State. Mouth, flows into the Apure River, tributary of the Orinoco River. The Ventuari River is a significant river in Venezuela, located in the Guayana region in the southeastern part of the country. It flows through the state of Bolívar and is a tributary of the Orinoco River. Length, approximately 250 kilometers. Source, originates in the Guayana highlands. Mouth, joins the Orinoco River near La Paraguay. The Orinoco River is one of the longest and most important rivers in South America, flowing through Venezuela and Colombia. Length, approximately 2,140 kilometers. Source, originates in the Parima Mountains in the Guiana Highlands, near the Brazil-Venezuela border. Mouth, flows into the Atlantic Ocean via the Gulf of Paria. Tributaries, include significant rivers like the Caron River, Apure River, and Ventuari River. 7. Angel Falls. The tallest waterfall in the world, with a height of 979 meters. Located in Canaima National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Falls from the Ain Tepuy, a massive tabletop mountain tepuy in the Guiana Highlands. Named after Jimmy Angel, an American aviator who discovered it in 1933. A major tourist attraction, accessible only by airplane or boat due to its remote location. Amazon jungle. The southern part of Venezuela is covered by the Amazon rainforest. Home to indigenous tribes, such as the Yanomami and Piman people. Rich in biodiversity, with jaguars, giant otters, and rare birds. Faces threats from illegal mining, deforestation, and climate change. Conclusion on Venezuela's geography. Venezuela's geography is diverse, featuring the Andes Mountains, Orinoco River Basin, Guiana Highlands, and a 2,800 kilometers Caribbean coastline. It has major rivers like the Orinoco and Caron, vast rainforests, and islands like Margarita. Its rich biodiversity and natural resources make it a key ecological and economic region.